Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to test a chat-based chatbot in 2026. Before you publish your AI assistant, it's important to make sure it's answering questions accurately and working as expected. So let's get started. First, open Chatbase in your web browser and sign in to your account. Then select the AI agent you want to test from your dashboard. Next, open the built-in preview chat *** or test chat * window. Yeah, this lets you interact with your chatbot before making it available to users. Now, ask a variety of questions related to your documents, website content, or knowledge base. Try both simple and detailed questions to see how well the chatbot responds. If you notice incorrect or incomplete answers, update your knowledge sources, improve your chatbot instructions, or retrain the AI with additional information. Then test it again to confirm the changes. Finally, if you're planning to use the chatbot on your website, test it there as well to make sure the widget loads correctly and responds smoothly on both desktop and mobile devices. And that's it. You've successfully tested your chat-based chatbot and it's ready for your visitors. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.